Whether you call it Savannah Red Rice, Charleston Red Rice, or Gullah Red Rice, this tomato and spice infused rice dish from coastal South Carolina is really unique. Although many recipes call for sausage, mine is not only fat-free, it's also quick and easy because I make it in the microwave. If you want to learn a new way to make rice, keep watching. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of instant, minute, or parboiled rice. I am using half a cup of white and half a cup of brown. 150 grams of tomato or 1 small tomato, 100 grams of onion or 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of white sugar, half a teaspoon of blackstrap molasses, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and powdered ginger, along with 1 cup of water. Since I'm going to make this in the microwave, all I have to do is mix everything together in a microwave safe dish, starting with the rice, and then the tomatoes and the onion, and then the spices. I'm starting with the onion powder and the garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then the powdered ginger. Then the tablespoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of sugar, and then the molasses. Molasses can be sticky, so be prepared to have to scrape the spoon a little bit. Also, in general, molasses, especially blackstrap molasses, has a very strong flavor. So if you've never cooked with molasses before, even though it's a critical part of this dish, I think it's probably best to err on the side of caution and put less in than you think that you would like, because as with anything, it's always easier to add more later than to try to take out. But first, be sure to put some paper towels down in the microwave. It will make cleanup easier. Microwave the rice covered on high for 6 minutes. Then very carefully remove from the microwave, stir, and then return to the microwave, once again covered, and cook for 7 more minutes, for a total of 13 minutes in the microwave. Let the rice rest for 3 to 5 minutes covered before serving. When it is ready to be served, Savannah Red Rice is very moist and it has a light brown reddish color. It also has an incredible, unique smell. Think pumpkin pie meets barbecue sauce meets Spanish rice. The molasses gives this rice hints of barbecue, so it would go well with any sort of barbecued meat. I think that it would also go well with Southern style greens that have been boiled with any kind of smoked meat. However, I'm serving this rice with bulk prepped chicken breast, so honestly, I think it could go well with just about anything. Gullah Red Rice is very different and very unique, so I hope that you give it a try. Now it's one of my favorite ways to make rice. You won't be disappointed, I guarantee it. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!